So this is how the wig looks like after installation, and it's well secured. So these are the baby hairs that I'm working with. This is the gem. This is how you lay the edges. Let me show you this side. You comb with this side, then you just hold it with your finger here, then you push the brush back like this. Then I will apply a little bit of this. I just put on the hand. I will go in with the wax stick. This is how it looks inside, and at the back you just push this one and it comes out. This wax stick, it helps control the flyaways, like the small hairs, and also it helps the wig to lay more flat on the surface. So this is what I'm gonna use, and make sure you use very little amount to avoid the wig becoming more greasy. Yeah, like this. So that's just enough. And then my hot comb, it has already heated enough, and it's really hot, so you have to be careful. So here, front part, let me show you how I do it. You push it back, just be careful not to burn your face. Then you come down. So this is how I do it. It looks a bit lifted here, then that's how I like it. To keep it lifted here, you just spray a little bit of this, then when it dries up, it won't go down. So this is how you do it. You just spray a little bit here, then it will dry up like this. This helps it to stay lifted. This is the final results, and I made sure for this style the middle part it's very clean and also it's sharp. You can see how it looks, and this is my favorite style since it's the simplest and it doesn't need much to do. For the middle part style, I can also do it with without the edges. I just wiped the gel that I had used and I just lay them backwards like this. I use the melting spray here, and also this other side. Then I'll comb it backwards like this. This way. So this is the middle part style without laying the edges. So I'm gonna do the second style, that's the side part, and I'll do this side. So I start by combing the hair to mix it up. That's the middle. I'm using the tail comb. I part like a U part, and I make it clean. I'm trying to get the side part clean and visible, so you just take your time when doing this. I will use this one, the gel, to lay the edges. So I will place this finger here, this one, then I slide the, yeah, I slide this one like this. So this is what I do. So I wanted to see how, like, where it should reach, then I'll cut it out. I also do the other side a little bit. Like this. Then I'm gonna use the melting spray. Try it for like 5 minutes. We'll use the same method that I used for the first one. I applied the wax stick. So for this one, I comb it, push it at the back like this. So this is the second style. It's the side part. That's how it looks. I feel like the side part gives more volume, and also it elevates a softer look. So let me know in the comment section which is your favorite style and which one fits me the best. I'm not a professional wig stylist, so I was just showing you how I do it.